Oh, don't mind me, I'm just chilling. What is going on, everybody? John Spanky Stokes here. Another video review of some really cool toys. And this one, for you, a big surprise for you. For you, a big surprise for you. What is this candy cane looking red and white stripe box? Make something fun. Okay, I like making fun stuff. Well, I think you guys already know from the thumbnail that this is from POP MART. The cultivators of cute. And they recently sent this out to me as just a thank you for helping them with their promotion, with their brand, which is really cool. I appreciate that. And check it out. I have not opened this yet, so you're getting a look at it. Dear Spanky, thank you so much for all your support. We hope this gift brings you joy and happiness. Stay safe and healthy with love. The POP MART family. Got a nice little La Boo Boo on it. Forest concert. Thank you, POP MART. You guys are rad. And gestures like this are truly awesome. So this is a 20-piece sticker set. How cool is that? 20 pieces. That is awesome. I'm planning on like covering this entire like surface with stickers, so that'll work. Oh, what is this? Another one? What? Is it the same one? If it's the same one, I might give this one away. Shoot. Maybe I'll do that. That is really cool. Thank you guys. What else is here? This is a nice little Labubu Forest concert. What is this though? It's a postcard set. What? Let's open this up and check it out. You know what? Crack this open. It's like a wonderful grab bag box of awesomeness. Oh my goodness. Yeah. My daughter is gonna love these. Oh yeah. Pucky. Demu, Molly, the painter. We got a little boo boo. These are super cute. Yeah, so my daughter's been like sending postcards to her friends, coloring on them and like sending them out during these times of quarantine, I guess you could say, these uncertain times. So she's gonna love that. I'll definitely let her play with those. Those are really nice. Or you could actually like frame them if you wanted. Love that. And now for the fun stuff. Okay, so let's go and just like see what they got in here. And we'll open each one. So we got the Gudetama, the Zodiac series. Look at that. 12 designs, the hidden edition. Oh my goodness. Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus. I am the what? Where's the Virgo? Is that the hidden edition? Maybe? I don't see Virgo on there. That's me, the Virgo. I'm the hidden. Maybe I'll get that one. That would be crazy. We'll crack that open. What else we got? Pucky Space Babies. The Reptilian Baby. Oh my goodness, these are really fun. Okay, so there's that. Then we got 2 of these Mousy Little figures. Graffiti Mousy. So these are made by POP MART and No Too Good. 12 designs. All very fun. My goodness. That's really cool. Super cute. Who doesn't like a mouse, right? The most famous characters of all is a mouse. Nice. We got the Instinct Toy Relax Series 1. So it's like all the Instinct Toy stuff, but like blind box and tiny. Very cool. I like the box. And then we have Sesame Street. Elmo with backpack. 12 design and a hidden edition. 12 design. I wonder, this is Elmo with backpack. Is that what's in here? Or is it blind box? You know what I'll do? I think this one. I think what I'll do, my daughter has a little YouTube channel, and I'll link it up in the iCard and down below. We'll take this one and we'll open it over on her channel, so you guys can check that out. And I'll do this one too, the Mousy Little. But I'll open these other 2. I'll set those off to the side. That'll be fun. She likes opening stuff like that. So we'll set those off to the side. And then let's go and open these. So we'll start with the Gudetama. Which one are we getting? I want the hidden one. I want the Virgo, right? I hope it's Virgo. I hope that's hidden. I don't know what else would it be. Oh, what was that? Little POP MART token. Put that back in there. POP MART, you guys, if you aren't following them, you're crazy, because they got so much fun stuff. So these aren't blind bag, or are they? Because I just pulled the one that was on the box. Virgo. Holy smokes. I'm tripping right now. Did they know my birthday was in September? I'm kind of speechless right now. That's awesome. I didn't even notice that said Virgo until now, and I pulled it. So these are like, are they ABS? They're like solid plastic. Very well done figure. Super cute. It's like 1.5 inches tall, maybe 2 inches. Let me hold it with my ruler right here on the side. It's like 1.75 inches tall. It's super tiny, and it can totally sit. You guys see that? Here, we'll put it over here on top of the Pucky box. Look at that. Just a cute little egg, dude. Girl. It's a girl. I love that, and I love that it's the Virgo. All right, I'm wondering if they're stalking me, letting me know. So, am I gonna pull this guy right here? Is this what I'm pulling right now? How do these blind boxes work? It's not blind box, it's more, I don't know, what you see on the box kind of deal? If that's the case, why put them in foil? There is no edition size or ratios. That's Robo Alien. It's like a card. I wonder if I'm getting that one. Robo Alien. My guess is that is what is in this, because it matches the card. Let's take a look. And it is Robo Alien. And this dude has some heft. Smells good too. So what is, does the head come off? Oh, it does. So the head comes off. plastic's removed. Look at how cute this little thing is. I think this video review is gonna be like the one that I say cute the most in out of any video I do, because all of their figures are legit cute, adorable. So this is Robo Alien, and it's the cutest Robo Alien I've ever seen because it's a Pucky Space Baby. We'll put him back there. Very hefty in weight. Quality figure. Love the color on it. And here is Mousy Little. Which one do I want? Let me see here. I want... Let's do Swag Mousy Little. Because his name is Swag. And that's just ridiculous. Swag. Extra. Ooh. Ooh. Do not eat the flavor packets. Alright. Let's see. Is this going to tell me which one I'm getting? Oh, we got Groovy Mousy Little. And he's real. See that on a shirt? Real. Be real, be yourself. Sounds like some JoJo Siwa right there. Boom. Is that who I got? And I did. And like, my gosh. What? Okay. So this figure is legit awesome. Wow. Okay. So it's tiny, but the quality is so magnificent. Like, this is so good. And the arms and head articulate. So you got some serious playability there. Man, I see the vector. Well, these aren't really vector. Well, anyways, these don't do it justice. Seeing this in person, you guys seen that? That is just a really cool figure. Imagine the entire series on your shelf. Yeah, all these, like these guys back here. Man, that is super cool. So that one didn't come with a little coin, but it came with a flavor pouch. And last but not least, we have the Instinct Toy series. I like these boxes, how they have the pull strip. Something about just pulling that open. Ooh, another flavor pouch. They do not like moisture with their toys, so that's a good thing. And this one, it looks like I got the colorful panda, the Booma. I don't know anything about the colorful panda. I've never seen this before. Regardless, I am loving all of these different figures, and check out this. Whoa. Can you guys see the iridescence on there? Like, whoa. The paint app on this is so vibrant. And this one, it chills on its side. Look at it. Oh, don't mind me, I'm just chilling. Whoa! Oh, rolled off. Safe. Well, I'll tell you what. Like I said before, Pop Mart are the cultivators of cute, and this little care package they sent over is just that, 100% adorable, cute. If you guys aren't following Pop Mart or know their brand or who the artists they are that work with them, you really need to, because they just are constantly pumping out amazing stuff. Really creative, really unique figures, platforms, brands. Pop Mart, they're doing it right. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate Pop Mart for sending these out. That's really cool, allowing me to open up your figures and see them in person. I don't own any Pop Mart before this. I see all the photos, but there's just something about seeing the figures in hand that makes it just that much more special, because the quality, the color, the production on it is just really good. QC is on point. So yeah, please, if you have not already, if you've made it this far in the video, please like, subscribe to this video, leave a comment below, share it, let me know what you think. And like always, oh, and don't forget, check out my daughter's video. I'll link it. She'll be opening those, okay? Promise. Yeah, like always, peace and hair grease. Adorable.